And let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Caroline Frau. I've been a Weston resident for almost 15 years. I'm a licensed real estate agent at Kors. At Kors, we have an excellent team of professionals. And personally, I am going to help you sell or buy your new property. And speaking about selling, do you know when you list your property with us, we're going to give you some incentives that's going to make your property irresistible for buyers? We live in a technology-driven world where there is an app for everything. We'll install a wireless system that's going to allow you to control remotely your AC unit, your light, your sound system, and more. We will also bring a professional decorator that will put your house at its best for all showings for the potential buyers. We will also give a 1-year American Home Shield protection plan that will make that buyer very secure. All these incentives are going to help us sell your house faster at the best price possible.